Hello, friends and family. Hope you and your family are doing well in this pandemic and disastrous time. In this video, we will discuss excessive rain in India and its neighbors and areas affected and its weather forecasting. So, let's get started. So, today we will discuss on excessive rain in India and its neighboring countries. The areas include, we will discuss with the help of map. So the areas include Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit and Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. In adjoining areas, states like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, northern Madhya Pradesh will be affected from July 21. IMD prediction: with the arrival of delayed monsoon in country, IMD predicted intense rainfall over the northern India from 18th July to 21st July and will last till 23rd July. The northern part of the country can expect moderate to severe thunderstorms and lightning at isolated places like Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, eastern Rajasthan in the next 24 hours. This will cause casualties in people and animal staying outdoors. Moderate to heavy rainfall at isolated places are also very likely over Delhi and Chandigarh on 18th July and 19th July 21. Western and southern India are also expected to receive heavy rainfall. IMD issued a red alert for Maharashtra, which has now shut down its local transit due to the heavy rain. At least 22 people were killed on Sunday due to landslides in Chembur and Vikhroli. As per IMD, areas on red alert: Konkan, Goa, Central Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat till 22 July. Thanks for watching this and see excessive rainfall in part 2 of the next video. Thanks for watching this video.